plan for this. So you see these tufts around here. Well, the way I like to do it is I don't know if you've seen the other model I'm working on, but the way I like to do it is I like to just pull out, extrude out a face like so, and I just kind of do shenanigans until I've got something that looks kind of like fur-y. Same here. Let's get this way in. And this takes a lot of practice to get this down pat. But once you've got the idea, make sort of tufty stuff like this. And so yeah, this is just step one. So that's the start of the tuft. And then, so this will work with subsurface as well. So if you apply a subdivision surface, it'll smooth this out as well. But the real step is we add. So we've got one material on. We're gonna add another material. Set this to solid black, and set the emission to solid black as well, and set its strength to 1. This just means it's just going to be constantly black no matter what angle is coming at it. Oh, and set the go to material preview, and then you go into the modifiers, you add a modifier, generate, solidify, and that just thickens it out. But the important part here is both CPU and GPU subdivisions. Ugh. Okay. Hide. I should put that on. Oh. Interesting. That went away. Anyway, and then down here in materials, you just set the material offset of the rim 1, and that makes that black. And there we go. We've got like a tuft, and it's a little outline, and we only need the rim for this. And yeah, that's how I do my furifications. And yeah, I just do a whole load of these going down wherever the fur is needed to be. And they deform quite well too. So as, like, I've shown you multiple times. Do I have the bandwidth? I might have. Okay, so if we crash out, we can blame Gray. But actually, hang on, wait. If I control this, yeah, save the function. So we go to a finished version. This is what it looks like when it's done. Yeah, so this is maximum. And so when you rotate, so when you deform it, yeah, individual origins. When you deform it, it actually stretches. Oh, let's just go solid. So when you deform it, it actually stretches and separates out, and then when you bring them together, they clump together, like fur do. And that's the extreme version, but if we go to here, and we bring the shirt back, shirt, there. So this is an example of like the floof around the shoulders. It does a similar thing. And they clump up as they come together. Very smart. You can even control where the lines are with vertex group if you want to, yeah. And I think the best place to see this was the bird. We love birds. That's... but yeah, you got a similar thing here. Where the hair kind of clumps together when it's brought back, separates out, and same with the hip flute. Kind of clumps together and gets matted, and part when you this. So yeah, that's how I do the fur. That's how the fox fur do. Well,